We actually heard it start to fall in, and I even said, "Oh, there it goes." And then it was moments later that we heard the crash and felt the house jump.
It has been 1 year since the 2021 windstorm here in the inland Northwest. That's when strong winds picked up overnight, gained momentum throughout the early morning hours.
The storm killed 2 people and left more than 200,000 without power for days. The city of Spokane also said it caused $700,000 in damages across the city.
Yeah, now one major area of damage was Comstock Park. Nicole Hernandez shows us how the city is still recovering.
1 year ago, I was in this exact spot here. Take a look. You can see I was standing on a tree trunk, downed trees all around me, and the fence behind me destroyed.
Across city parks, Park and Recreation Director Garrett Jones says the storm caused $700,000 in damage. The storm destroyed fences, damaged irrigation systems, and knocked down 200 trees. Half of those trees were at Comstock Park. In the past year, the city upgraded the broken irrigation systems, fixed the fences, and planted 35 trees at Comstock. They're also going to plant 35 more this upcoming season.
And then we've also planted 70 additional trees across our system. And then we'll continue this program through next year with our goal of end of 2022. Into the spring of 2023, we'll be fully recovered and have that restoration.
The wind also took down the Riverfront Park butterfly. The city of Spokane is still in the process of getting a new butterfly in its place. The new one will be able to withstand higher winds. Engineers are working on better wing support, a fail-safe system, and making it smaller altogether. The Parks Department says by February of this year, the park board will review and approve the design. By spring, they're hoping to bid out construction. Then the plan is to have a new butterfly up by winter 2022. While the city works to put the Riverfront Park butterfly back up, back here at Comstock Park, the city put together this fence that was destroyed, and the park is back open for families to use. In Spokane, Nicole Hernandez, KREM 2 News.